Uzbek cuisine is perhaps the richest cuisine in Central Asia. The mixture of the culinary traditions of the Persians and Turks, as well as their advantageous position at the crossroads of trade routes, made the recipes of Uzbek cuisine very diverse both in terms of products and methods of preparation. Each region of Uzbekistan has its typical dishes that are characteristic only for this area. And today we will talk about the Khorezm cuisine. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, be sure to do it. Also don't forget to like and write comments on our videos. So we start. The cuisine of Khorezm originated in the distant past when Central Asia was part of the Achaemenid Empire. Khorezm, a region surrounded by sands on all sides, where, as a rule, they ate and eat cooler food due to climatic conditions. The food was supposed to not only saturate the body, but also quench thirst. That's why most of the dishes in Khorezm are served either with cold kefir or milk, and sometimes the dish itself is served cold. These dishes include Tukhum barak, the food of the poor man and the ruler, a dish which composition is very simple, but at the same time the taste is so magical. There is a legend that the Tukhum barak was invented precisely in the 50-degree heat, when there was no strength left to eat the dish and wash it down with hot tea. Either the cooks of ancient Khorezm or ordinary people invented this dish, which they called Tukhum barak, which means dumplings with eggs. It combines satiety and refreshment, as well as scrumptious taste. Local people say that Tukhum barak was the Khan's secret weapon and prepared for him before the ruler decided to visit his harem. So let's cook this dish and taste the favorite dish of the rulers of the Khiva Khanate. I say in advance that the process is laborious, but the taste of the dish is excellent. I'm sure that Tukhum barak will become your favorite dish. The ingredients that we need for the dough: 1 egg, 200 grams of water, 300-350 grams of flour, salt. For the filling: 6 eggs, 6 tablespoons of milk, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt to taste. Knead very stiff dough from 1 egg, water and salt. To mix salt evenly into the dough, it can be first dissolved in water and then added to the flour. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Roll out the dough into one large thin sheet. Wrap in 2 layers. Using a small cup or glass, cut the whole dough so that you get round forms. Gather the remaining sides of the dough together, knead into the dough and put it in the refrigerator for subsequent dishes. If necessary, use for Tukhum barak. Wrap the dough with plastic. For the filling of Tukhum barak, beat 6 eggs and mix a little bit. Add 6 tablespoons of milk, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt to taste, and then mix thoroughly. When the filling is ready, you need to put a cauldron of water on the stove. Take each round layer of dough, moisten with water from the edges and mold, leaving a hole in the middle in order to put the filling. You get semicircular envelopes. For the first batch, doesn't get worn out until the others are finished. It is better to cover it with a towel, polyethylene, or whatever you find convenient and familiar. The bowl with filling and tray of finished envelopes should be next to boiling water. Make sure all side seams are well made. Next, pour a tablespoon of the filling into the envelope. While the liquid mass hasn't unstuck the seams, seal the upper part of the envelope quickly and put it into boiling water. Don't boil Khorezm dumplings for long. Only you need the dough to be ready because the egg filling is already done in the first minute. Ready Tukhum baraks will float upward themselves. Take these unusual dumplings into a bowl with cold water and then accurately put them on a plate. You can serve it with kefir or sour cream. The Tukhum barak turned out very tasty and yummy. This dish, not in vain, was the Khan's favorite dish. Be sure to prepare it at home. Bon appetit and see you in the next video. Bye bye.